So, I saw your question on the discussion board about a 95% confidence interval, and you want to find the z-score that corresponds to that. Okay, so I like drawing a picture here. You got the normal curve. The total area under the curve is 1. You want 95% confidence interval, so this area from here to here is 0.95. Well, you pointed out this formula here. You put 0.95 in it, and it comes out to 0.025. What that gives you is the area in the two tails. The area in this tail is 0.025. Area in this tail is 0.025. The area between is 0.95, for a total area of 1. So you're asking how do I find this z-score? So you can look it up in table 4, if you can go find 0.025, and you'll find negative 1.96, and it's symmetric, so this would be positive 1.96. Or you could use technology, StatCrunch, the normal calculator, or TI-84. But Mr. Canary, he's correct when he mentions these are the most common cases. 80% confidence intervals like 1.28, 90% confidence interval 1.645 for z-score. I mean, these are all cases we see most often. So I like to draw a picture and find the area, and then you can use table or technology to find the z-score. Hope this helps.